Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to edit video in CapCut app to black and white. If you want to edit a video in black and white using the CapCut app on your mobile device, follow these steps. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Start a new project. Tap New Project and choose the video you want to edit. Then hit Add. Go to the Filters menu. Tap on the Filters option at the bottom toolbar. Choose a black and white filter. Scroll down and choose black and white, such as mono or classic black and white. Then tap on your chosen filter. Adjust filter intensity. Use the slider to modify the strength of the black and white. Then tap on Cancel. Fine-tune with adjustments. Tap Adjust and modify brightness, contrast, shadows, and saturation for a perfect look. Preview your video. Tap the play button to review the black and white effect before exporting. Save and export. Choose the resolution. 1080p is recommended and frame rate. Then tap Export to save the video. Your black and white video is now ready to share. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.